Yes, somebody has even moved a petition to the High Court. High Court has said that yes, government can do the eviction, but if somebody needs water, somebody needs some basic amenity, government should provide it. The government job is to evict. It cannot be conditional. We will evict you from forest. Thereafter, you can give application to the Deputy Commissioner that I don't have land anywhere. Then DC will provide you land, but land cannot be in Guwahati, land cannot be in Gwalpara, it will be in your native place, where from you are coming, like in Lakhimpur. People have gone from Karimganj to settle in Lakhimpur. So we will not give you land in Lakhimpur, we will give you land in Karimganj. So in the last Lakhimpur eviction, many startling facts has emerged. Our media ki koile gungun setiak loi besto hoi gol. Kintu Lakhimpura jito ghotona hoisil, we evicted 300 people. Ar manu kejon kor pora goisile? South Salma, Karimganj, Hailakandi. Entire Lakhimpuror demography to bodlai diar eta dangor ষড়যন্ত্ৰ আছিল।